Listen, I don't care how you feel, because the truth is that you have been lied to. And the truth don't care about your opinions. So check this. What I'm about to tell you is this, is that the white blood cell is not the key to immunity within the body. I'm going to say that again. The white blood cell is not the key to immunity within the black body. Now watch how all of the doctors get mad at this. Watch how all the pharmaceutical companies get mad at this, right? Because I'm busting it wide open. The white blood cell comes from white adipose tissue, right? And white adipose tissue is not healthy tissue. You get those tissues from high starch diets, from diets high in ammonium, diets high in nitrogen and high in animal flesh, and then you get the storage of the energy that comes from those foods. It turns into white adipose tissue, and then it ferments. When it ferments, it becomes white blood cells. It becomes bacteria that goes and eats other bacteria. That's not immunity. Real immunity comes from your liver. It comes from the melanin within your body. Melanin has been shown to trap and invade xenophobes, bacteria, microphages, and your liver is the powerhouse of immunity. That's what they don't want you to know. Talk to me.